Imagine a superfood that's been around for centuries, packed with nutrients, and is a staple in many cultures. No, it's not a newly discovered berry from a remote rainforest. It's the humble lentil. From the spicy lentil curries of India to the hearty lentil soups of the Mediterranean, lentils have been nourishing humanity for ages. But did you know that recent research has unveiled even more amazing health benefits of this ancient legume? Let's dive into the latest findings. 1. Nutritional Powerhouse. Lentils are not just a source of protein. They are rich in fiber, essential minerals, and vitamins. A study from 2023 highlighted that lentils contain significant amounts of fiber, ranging from 11.62% to 27.36%, and starch, 41.98% to 50.27%. Not to mention, they're an excellent source of proteins and essential minerals. 2. Antioxidant capacity. Lentils are loaded with antioxidants. These compounds fight off free radicals in our body, protecting us from various diseases. The same 2023 study found that lentils, regardless of their variety, have a commendable antioxidant capacity. 3. Bioactive compounds. Lentils are a treasure trove of bioactive compounds like polyphenols, saponines, and phytosterols. These compounds have been linked to numerous health benefits, including antioxidant activity, anti-diabetic properties, cardioprotective effects, and even anti-cancer activities. 4. Heart health. Lentil saponins, mainly soya saponins, I and VG, have a plasma cholesterol lowering effect, which is crucial for heart health. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Beyond their hypocholesterolemic effect, the phytosterols in lentils are known for their anti-inflammatory activity. But it's not just about the health benefits. Lentils are versatile, affordable, and environmentally friendly. They're a sustainable crop, improving the nutrient status of the soil they grow in. Plus, they're a delicious addition to any meal. Whether you're whipping up a quick lentil salad, a comforting soup, or a spicy curry, lentils are sure to elevate your dish both in taste and nutrition. So, the next time you're thinking of a nutritious addition to your meal, remember the mighty lentil. It's not just a food, it's a superfood with a legacy. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button. Share it with your friends and family,